everyone, today I'm reviewing a gift that I've purchased for my sister. Now, I bought a Fairywill toothbrush myself for home. Every time I travel, it's the one I take with me, and it's still working, it's still in great condition. This is a pack of 2, and the reason is my sister is going to live with her partner, and I thought it was a really cute but also functional gift to make for her as a house welcome gift, if that makes sense. I know toothbrushes, well, we've got to be different, don't we? So it comes very well packed. I've opened it through the back, as obviously I don't want the seal to break, and I'm going to have to be very careful. I just want to show you what you will receive and how before I'm going to put it back as it was. This was like a puzzle. It's very well presented though. Okay, this is how it arrives when you open it. As mentioned, it does have the pull here, but I had to open it more carefully. So, what do we have? I'm going to remove everything. It's a his and a hers. I think it's quite romantic, even though the toothbrushes, never mind, might be my cold. Okay, here at the bottom, you have the instructions there in different languages. They're very straightforward, not to worry much about them. That's your guarantee, and it's saying you get a free trial of a product. But there you go, I have not looked at that. I'll give it my sister too. So you've got 2 different boxes. Oh, it's a really nice case. Let's open the next one. I usually never unbox while doing the videos, but I know what kind of quality look. Okay, so we have a shiny smooth surface at the bottom. It has this little 4 bumps, and then it has a more rugged textured at the top. As you can see, it's very well presented, ideal. You know, mine, the one that I bought last year, didn't come with a travel case, so I'm a little bit jealous, but never mind. Things improve with time. And here's the toothbrush itself. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, very carefully. Okay, my scissors. It's my sister, so it, it doesn't matter. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, this does vibrate. Okay, so you know to what point it vibrates. So the 40,000 vibrations per minute, it's no kidding. Right, if you long press, it turns off. If you short press, it goes from white to clean. Short press, it turns off. Then it goes to sensitive for sensitive teeth. It's just vibrating away. Okay, turns off. Again, it goes to polish. It does do different kind of movement. This one's kind of, I'm sure with the noise, and you can appreciate the difference. Turn it off. Let's change it to massage. That's the 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, when you need to charge it, when you're charging it, the light will come on. When it needs charging, it will also let you know. I want to turn it off because it does actually sound like if it was something else. I'm not going to mention what. It's really good because you charge it and it takes 4 hours to fully charge, and then it's going to give you an amazing month's use. Mine is also very good, not this good. Obviously the models have improved in a year. And then here you've got the brush head. Open this one to show it you. I do hope my sister forgives me for opening the bags, but I'm not going to touch it with my hands. Obviously I do understand hygiene. These ones are soft Bristol, it says on the bag. And it's shaped as well. That's why I've opened it. I wanted to show it you. Let's put that back there. Let's have a look. Because now if I don't open the other one, you know, if I open them both, she's not even going to realise. If I only open the one, then she will realise. So let's have a look at the man's version. I love the baby pink colour that this one has. It's a lovely baby pink. As you can see, it comes with a little bit of battery. Whoa. Yep. Going like crazy. Vibrations per minute is not a lie, guys. Okay, let's turn the let's turn it off. If anyone comes to my door, they're going to think, what is she doing in there? The man's one is or the black one, should I say, because I don't want to be sexist with the colours. The black one is exactly the same. It's also soft bristles and it has the shape. Let's put it back in there for hygiene. Now what else do we have? We have a little box with the chargers. Got a white and a black. You plug it in here and then it's USB. It goes to either a power adapter or a smart USB port. I recommend the USB port. Also, I recommend you don't fully charge your toothbrush when you receive it. Fully use it until the battery is completely drained and then fully charge it. I don't like, all manufacturers recommend you to charge it as soon as you receive it. But the only reason why they do that is because they don't want you thinking, moaning, saying, I just bought it and it's lasted me a day or two. That's because they only come with a little charge, okay? But next time, if you charge it as soon as you receive it, you won't get the best out of the battery. Yeah, maybe you won't initially moan, but if you wait for it to be fully uncharged and then you charge it, then you will receive it. You will have a much longer lasting battery. Now, I want to tell you, I'm not going to open them all. That would be really naughty of me. But, or shall I? This one has a cap on. I'm going to open them. I've got to show you this. I keep saying, I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to open that. But I end up opening everything. Okay, so this one has a little cap on. This one's a hard bristle. That's a soft bristle. This one's a hard bristle. I'm opening it ever so carefully. It is harder. Obviously, I'm only going to touch it with this one is a soft bristle, just the one like the one that already comes on. It's really good because it comes with spares, but I do have to say I've bought the spares from Amazon all throughout this year. They come quite cheap, very affordable, much more affordable than the Oral-B, and they do last quite long, so that's also a bonus. And then you've got a precision one, which is great for when you've got braces, etc. That's fantastic. That's the one you need. So you have the one that comes, 2 soft bristles, 1 hard bristle. This one's also, this one, so you can keep it in there. So you've got 3 soft bristles, sorry, 1 hard bristle, and the one for the deep clean. We've gone through the modes. You've seen it's 2 different colors. It's very quick to charge. It gives you a whole month's use, and it comes with a little travel cases. So for me, it's a clear thumbs up. It's a very affordable purchase. Comes very well packed and presented, and I know my sister's going to love it. So now what I need to do is open all the bags so it doesn't look weird, but some of them are open and some of them are not. But I'm sure my sister's going to love it. It comes with guarantee. I've had mine, the one I bought in 2018, for over a year. I've used it every time I go out, when I go on trips, and this looks like just a tiny pencil case, to be honest. It's very nice, very cute, and it opens easily. It has 2 magnets there. I'm very happy. You know what, it looks much better than when I bought it. What I thought, what I've received actually is better. So I'm going to leave you with a bit of vibration. Thanks for watching.